In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to your project or folder settings. Whether you're working on a complex project or simply trying to keep your folders organized, adding custom fields can be a game changer in terms of managing your information. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps one by one so you can enhance your workflow with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your project or folder settings. This is where you'll be able to tweak the features to better fit your needs. Make sure you're in the right section by checking the top of your screen, where you should see the name of the project or folder you're working on. Once you're in the correct settings section, look for the option labeled Custom Fields. This is the part that allows you to tailor your project to include any additional information you might need. Clicking on Custom Fields is your gateway to a more streamlined organizational system. Here, you have the option to add a new field. You might be wondering what type of custom field will best suit your needs. Well, the good news is that you've got a few great options to choose from. You can decide between a text field, a drop-down menu, or a date field. Each of these serves a unique purpose. A text field is excellent for detailed notes or descriptions. A drop-down menu can help maintain consistency with preset options, which is particularly useful if your project requires selecting from specific categories. And a date field can keep you on track with deadlines or important milestones. After you've decided which type of field suits best, go ahead and add it to your project. Be sure to name your new field clearly. This will help you and your team understand its purpose immediately without any second guessing. As you're entering the information, take a moment to consider how this addition will integrate with the rest of your project or folder. Is it an essential piece of information that needs to be front and center, or is it something more specialized that you'll only need occasionally? Once you have everything just right, it's time to save your new custom field. This is a crucial step because you don't want to lose any of the configurations you've set up. Look for a Save button or option, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the window. A simple click will lock in your changes and apply the new custom field to your project. With everything saved and set up, your project or folder is now equipped with a custom field that will help you maintain a higher level of organization and efficiency. This small addition can make navigating your project landscape so much smoother. As always, think of these fields as dynamic, able to be updated and adjusted as your needs evolve over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in boosting your productivity and project management skills.